Hi, welcome back to the channel. I know you are here because you want to learn Python, but if you're swimming in a sea of courses and don't know where to start from, don't worry. I've been there. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 top Python programming courses that are perfect for absolute beginners, especially if you are a self-learner or a university student. One unique thing about these 3 top programming courses is that they are courses that I have personally taken myself. Now, if you stay with me to the end, I will also show you how to take these premium courses for free. Yes, I mean it. I'll show you how to take them for free. That said, let's get started. The first amidst these 3 courses is Python for Data Science, AI, and Development by IBM on Coursera. This course is like Python's welcome party for beginners. No experience is required, just curiosity. I took this course myself and it does a great job walking me through the basics. It got started from variables and loops to data structures. The course includes hands-on practice with Jupyter Notebook and a basic introduction to data analysis. Top of it is that this course comes with a certificate from IBM. The second on my list is the Crash Course on Python by Google on Coursera. Now, if you're an absolute beginner with desires for in-depth knowledge, this course is your vibe. It covers everything from writing your first line of code to working with files, strings, and functions. Plus, it wraps up with a small project that shows you how everything connects in the real world. It's totally beginner friendly, but it has that extra Google push that you love. Now, let's see our third course. The third course is the almighty CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. It's from Harvard on EDX. Now, let me lay a disclosure. I haven't finished this one yet. Why? Because I actually got the basic introduction I needed from Google. It's super detailed and gives you a solid foundation in programming logic, problem solving, and Python all in one. It's ideal if you want a challenge and you are aiming to build strong foundation. And like I said in the beginning, it's from Harvard. You don't get that every day. Now, we have seen the 3 courses. Now back to my promise. I promise sharing a bonus, and that's how to take these courses for free. Most platforms like EDX and Coursera let you audit the courses. That means you can get full access to the videos and content without paying a dime. Now, let's get to my system as I'll show you how to take these courses for free. Welcome back. Like I did promise, I'll show you how to get these courses for free. Now, I should say, welcome to Coursera. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to join for free. You can sign up on Coursera for free if you're new to Coursera. But if you're not new to Coursera, then you can use the login button. Now, I've used the login button. I am not an affiliate and I am not paid in any way to do what I am doing. I am only doing this because I know a lot of folks watching this YouTube video would need this. Now, the first thing is to search for the course you actually want to learn. What do you want to learn? Now, you can see this is Python for data science. You can search for it. I won't use this as an example because I've signed on it, but I'll use this HTML, CSS. On searching for it, it takes me to the page for the course itself. You'll see this. Scroll down, you see enroll for free. Click on the enroll for free. Now, when you want to enroll for free, it says start free trial. Don't use the start free trial. Just look downwards. You see the audit this course. Now, click on audit this course. I don't really want to audit this course, so I'm not clicking on it. Click on audit this course. Follow it one after the other, and you'll be able to audit the course and have full access to the course. Thank you for staying with us.